Before buying a car polisher, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many people jump straight into the deep end and choose the wrong tool, which can lead to frustration and even damage to your car. Product number 1. Niaskin Cordless Car Buffer. The Niaskin Cordless Car Buffer caught my eye right away because of its lightweight design and abundance of accessories, all for just $56.99. It's a great option if you want something that's easy to maneuver and perfect for beginners. This polisher is cordless, which means no tangled cables to worry about. It features a powerful motor with 6 speed settings, ranging from 2,800 to 5,800 RPM, allowing you to adjust based on the task at hand. The LED display is a nice touch, showing you the current speed and battery level in real time. Plus, with two 21V 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries included, you can work on a full detail job without interruption. Now, some users have mentioned that it can shut off if used continuously at high speed for over 20 minutes. Here's the thing though, this is actually a good safety feature to prevent overheating. Most beginners won't be working at that pace for so long anyway. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly, lightweight polisher that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty professional work. For under $60, it offers excellent value. Product number 2, WN6010 Waxer/Polisher. Next up is the WN6010 Waxer/Polisher, priced at an astonishingly low $26.94. It's so affordable, you might think it's too good to be true. But this polisher has become a favorite among beginners for a reason. It features a 0.5 amp motor that runs at 3,500 revolutions per minute, which is more than adequate for polishing and waxing tasks. The ergonomically designed grip makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, whether you prefer one-handed or two-handed operation. It also includes both a 6-inch applicator bonnet and a terry cloth bonnet, which means you're ready to start polishing right out of the box. However, some users pointed out that the motor can struggle with tougher jobs. But honestly, for light polishing and waxing tasks, it holds its own just fine. It's not meant for heavy paint correction, so if that's not what you need, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option for basic waxing and polishing. Skip this one if you're looking to tackle more serious detailing jobs, but for the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Albin 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. Now, let's talk about the Albin Car Buffer Polisher, priced at $44.99. This one stands out because of its versatility and solid construction. It offers 6 variable speeds from 1,000 to 4,500 RPM, which means you can really customize your approach for different materials and tasks. The dual action design is great for achieving that swirl-free finish, making it ideal for beginners who want to avoid making mistakes. Plus, it comes with 4 buffing pads that allow you to tackle everything from waxing to paint correction. A downside some users mentioned is that it can stop if you apply too much pressure on lower speeds. But honestly, that's a good safeguard against damaging your paint if you're new to polishing. This is perfect for you if you want a polisher that can handle various jobs with ease. However, if you're just looking for something to do basic waxing, this might be a bit more than you need. Product number 4, Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher Kit. Coming in at $189.19, the Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit is a more advanced option that's still beginner-friendly. It caught my attention because it's a complete kit with everything you need to get started. This 9-piece set includes a powerful 700W motor and an 8mm orbital throw, which means it's designed to remove imperfections like swirls and scratches effectively. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use, and the included pads and compounds simplify the detailing process. However, the price might be a sticking point for some. But here's the thing. If you're serious about keeping your car in showroom condition, this kit provides excellent value for the quality of results it delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution that covers all your polishing needs. Skip this one if you're just dipping your toes into car detailing or need something strictly budget-friendly. Product number 5, SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher. Lastly, we have the SBDA cordless mini car polisher priced at $112.62. What caught my eye is its compact size and cordless functionality, making it super convenient for tight spaces. This polisher is designed for precision, which is perfect for detailing around emblems and body lines. It operates on a nimble battery that allows for about an hour of work time, and the variable speed control goes up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, giving you flexibility. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, which is a big plus for beginners. Some users did mention that the battery life could be better for larger projects. But for small to medium detailing tasks, it's generally efficient and easy to use. This is ideal for you if you often find yourself working in tight spots or need something lightweight. Skip this one if you're planning to tackle large areas all at once, but for what it offers, it's quite handy. So, to wrap things up, we've got the Niaskin cordless car buffer as a lightweight starter, the WN6010 for budget-conscious beginners, the Albin for versatility, the Chemical Guys kit for those who want a complete solution, and the SBTA Mini for tight spaces. Each of these polishers has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.